Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're tackling a subject that many of us might not have given much thought to before. Why purchasing a brand new car might not be the wisest financial decision. While the allure of that shiny new vehicle might be tempting, there are some compelling financial considerations that could make you reconsider. Let's dive in and explore the top 6 reasons why buying a new car could end up costing you more in the long run. 1. Depreciation. It's a term that strikes fear into the hearts of many car buyers, and for good reason. Depreciation refers to the decrease in value that occurs over time with any vehicle. However, what many people don't realize is just how steep that initial depreciation can be with a new car. Studies have shown that a new car can lose up to 20% of its value the moment you drive it off the lot. Imagine losing 1/5 of your investment in the blink of an eye. And it doesn't stop there. Over the first few years of ownership, depreciation continues to chip away at your car's value, often leaving you with significantly less than what you paid when it comes time to sell or trade in. But why does this happen? Well, there are several factors at play. First, there's the simple fact that new cars are, well, new. As soon as they're driven off the lot, they're no longer considered new, and that initial shine wears off quickly in the eyes of potential buyers. Additionally, the market is flooded with new models each year, which can further drive down the value of last year's models. Add in factors like wear and tear, as well as changes in technology and consumer preferences, and you've got a recipe for rapid depreciation. So, what does this mean for you as a potential buyer? Simply put, it means that buying a new car is often not the best investment from a financial standpoint. Instead of sinking your hard-earned money into a rapidly depreciating asset, you might be better off considering a used car, which has already experienced the worst of its depreciation and can offer better value for your money in the long run. Before we go to our second reason, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. 2. Maintenance costs. While it's true that new cars typically come with warranties that cover repairs for the first few years of ownership, those warranties eventually expire, leaving you responsible for any repairs that may arise. And let's face it, cars, even new ones, are not immune to wear and tear. Whether it's routine maintenance like oil changes and tire rotations or unexpected repairs due to mechanical issues or accidents, the costs can quickly add up. But here's the kicker. Maintenance costs for new cars can often be higher than those for used cars. Why? Well, for starters, new cars often come equipped with the latest technology and features, which can be more expensive to repair or replace. Additionally, many new cars require specialized parts and services that may not be readily available or affordable. And as the car ages and these components wear out, the costs of maintaining it can skyrocket. So, what's the alternative? Consider purchasing a reliable used car instead. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of a brand new model, a well-maintained used car can offer significant savings in terms of both upfront costs and long-term maintenance expenses. Plus, many used cars come with the added peace of mind of a certified pre-owned warranty, giving you some protection against unexpected repairs. 3. Car loans. One major financial consideration when buying a new car is the cost of financing it through a car loan. While car loans can make it possible for many people to afford a new vehicle by spreading out the cost over several years, they come with their own set of financial implications. First and foremost, taking out a loan means taking on debt, and debt always comes with interest. Even with relatively low interest rates, the total amount of interest paid over the life of the loan can add up significantly, making the overall cost of the car much higher than the sticker price. Additionally, longer loan terms, which are common with car loans, may seem appealing because they result in lower monthly payments. However, they also mean paying more in interest over time and being tied to the loan for a longer period. Plus, if the car depreciates faster than the loan balance decreases, you could find yourself in a situation where you owe more on the car than it's worth, also known as being underwater on the loan. This can be a major financial burden if you need to sell or trade in the car before the loan is paid off. Overall, while car loans can provide a convenient way to finance a new car purchase, it's essential to carefully consider the long-term financial implications and explore alternatives like saving up for a larger down payment or opting for a less expensive used car. 4. Insurance costs. Another often overlooked financial consideration when buying a new car is the cost of insurance. Insuring a new car can be significantly more expensive than insuring a used car due to several factors. First, New cars tend to have higher sticker prices, which means higher insurance premiums to cover the potential cost of repairing or replacing the vehicle in the event of an accident. Additionally, new cars may come equipped with advanced safety features and technology, which can be costly to repair or replace in the event of damage. Insurers take these factors into account when calculating premiums, often resulting in higher rates for new cars compared to used ones. Furthermore, lenders typically require comprehensive and collision coverage for financed vehicles, adding to the insurance costs. And let's not forget that luxury or high-performance cars can also come with higher insurance premiums due to their higher replacement costs and increased risk of theft or damage. Overall, while the allure of a new car may be strong, it's essential to factor in the potentially higher insurance costs when budgeting for your purchase. Consider obtaining insurance quotes for different makes and models before making a decision to ensure that you can afford both the car and the associated insurance premiums over the long term. 5. Taxes and fees. When purchasing a new car, it's important to consider the additional taxes and fees that come with ownership. Depending on where you live, you may be subject to sales tax, registration fees, and other charges that can significantly increase the overall cost of the vehicle. Sales tax alone can add several $1,000s to the purchase price of a new car, depending on the state and local tax rates. Additionally, registration fees vary by state and are typically based on factors such as the vehicle's weight, value, and model year. These taxes and fees can catch buyers off guard, especially if they haven't budgeted for them in advance. By contrast, used cars may be subject to lower taxes and fees, making them a more budget-friendly option for some buyers. 6. Opportunity cost. Finally, it's essential to consider the opportunity cost of purchasing a new car. When you buy a new car, you're tying up a significant amount of capital that could be invested elsewhere. Whether it's investing in the stock market, saving for retirement, or paying off high-interest debt, there are often better ways to use that money to improve your financial situation. By purchasing a less expensive used car or even opting for public transportation or car-sharing services, you can free up funds to put towards other financial goals. Additionally, new cars often come with higher insurance premiums and depreciation rates, further impacting your overall financial picture. By carefully considering the opportunity cost of buying a new car, you can make a decision that aligns with your long-term financial goals and priorities. When buying a new car, it's essential to look beyond the initial sticker price and consider the long-term financial implications. By carefully evaluating factors such as car loans and insurance costs, you can make a more informed decision that aligns with your financial goals. Remember to assess your budget, explore alternatives, and factor in all expenses to ensure that your new car purchase remains financially sustainable in the long run. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.